these little glass floats. If you want a DIY tutorial on these, I have DIY'd these. I will try to include a link to them. I made them for Christmas ornaments for my tree, so you can DIY them if you don't have any of these left over from last year. And I'm going to use 3 of the turquoise and 2 of the clear for this. You can use whatever you can find. I kind of wanted 2 different colors and I wanted an odd number. You could do like 3, 5, 7. Any of that would look really good, I think. So I'm just going to leave them as is. They are perfect. I have a scrap piece of Dollar Tree rope that I'm going to use for this project. And I'm going to kind of loop it like this so one end is longer than the other, and then just simply tie it on itself there at the top. That can be the hanger, and it can have 2 little ropes hanging down. Now to attach the little fishing floats to the rope, I'm just using Dollar Tree twine. It's going to blend in with the rope and the twine that's already on these. And I can kind of stagger like clear, turquoise, like that. 2 on one side and 3 on the other. So I just simply tie the twine, tying it on just about an inch down from where I have it knotted off at the top. And then I can put the second one down here towards the bottom. I want to hang them where they're all kind of like staggered, but it also looks like they're all hanging with rope, which is why I use the rope for the base. Now for this side, we're going to do the same thing. I'm just going to go turquoise, clear, turquoise. They also have royal blue for this, if that's kind of more your color scheme. But definitely look for these. I know they are going fast in the stores that I've been in. They're so cute. I did not see these online, I don't think. Otherwise, I probably would have ordered a case of them. So I'm just kind of estimating where to tie these off. I'm going to tie all 3 and then kind of see how it hangs. I want it to look like a bunch of little glass fishing floats hanging together for my wall. So easy and so cute. So I tied this one towards the bottom, kind of testing it out. It hangs like way lower than the rest of them. So I'm going to move it up a little bit and see if that hangs a little bit better. But this cannot be any easier. I have bought as many of these as I possibly can because I think these would make an awesome coastal Christmas tree with little ornaments, right? That looks way better. Let me show you how it looks hanging up. So simple, all you need is a little bit of rope and 5 of the fishing floats to do it exactly the way that I did it. But they're all just kind of hanging randomly. The rope, it looks like they're all hanging by rope, even though that would be kind of hard to tie them up like that. But the twine worked perfectly for that. And how cute are these?